Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the HP Poly Voyager Surround 80 UC headset. This is designed as a work-first headset, promising comfort, great call quality, and a feature-packed experience. Let's see how it holds up in real-world use. Starting with design, the Voyager Surround 80 UC boasts a sleek, minimalist look that blends well in an office environment. It's made of soft-touch plastic with plush cushions on the headband and ear cups, which make it very comfortable for long hours of wear. The ear cups are generous in size, though they aren't foldable, which might be a drawback for travelers. Despite its slightly heavier weight compared to some competitors, it remains comfortable during extended use. In terms of controls, the headset features touch-sensitive panels on the right ear cup for most functions, including volume adjustment and call handling. While responsive, these touch controls can sometimes be sensitive, leading to accidental taps, so a bit of caution is needed there. Where the Voyager 80 UC truly shines is in call quality. With 10 built-in microphones and certification for major conferencing platforms like Microsoft Teams and Zoom, it delivers crystal-clear audio both for you and your callers. The boom-less design works well, and the side tone feature allows you to hear your own voice clearly during calls. Connectivity is robust with Bluetooth 5.3 and multi-point pairing, though some advanced features are restricted to use with the included USB-C dongle. Moving on to sound quality, which is a critical aspect beyond just calls. The Voyager Surround 80 UC leans heavily towards voice clarity, making it excellent for podcasts, audiobooks, and voice-centric content. However, for music enthusiasts, it falls short with substandard bass and treble reproduction. It's passable for casual listening but not exceptional. Active noise cancellation is another feature we scrutinized. Indoors, the ANC performs adequately, reducing ambient office noise effectively. However, in louder outdoor environments, it struggles to block out all external sounds, which might be disappointing considering its price point. Battery life is rated for up to 24 hours of music playback, which is decent but not outstanding compared to some competitors in this range. It supports fast charging via USB-C, which is a plus for quick top-ups. The Voyager Surround 80 UC comes with a feature-rich companion app that allows for extensive customization of settings, including EQ adjustments and ANC settings. It's intuitive and enhances the overall user experience. Wrapping up, the HP Poly Voyager Surround 80 UC is a solid choice if you prioritize comfort and exceptional call quality in a professional environment. However, its premium price tag may not be fully justified given its average sound quality for music, limited ANC performance outdoors, and competitive alternatives in the market. That's it for today's review of the HP Poly Voyager Surround 80 UC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews here on Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.